AI Plus held a major launch event today in India to unveil the Nova 2 series, a tablet, and a couple of TWS earbuds. The same event also saw the arrival of the Nova Flip, which is the brand's first foldable display phone. What's surprising is that this phone carries an astonishing price tag of 29,999 rupees. The AI Plus Nova Flip features a 6.9-inch AMOLED inner display with a resolution of 2790 by 1188 pixels, along with a 3.1-inch AMOLED cover screen. It runs on Android 15 with NxtQ OS on top and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip, coupled with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of storage. For photography, the device includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor, while the front houses a 32-megapixel camera. It also supports up to 10x digital zoom. The phone is backed by a 4,325 mAh battery, which is quite large for a flip phone, with 33W charging support. Additional features include dual SIM 5G support, Bluetooth, NFC, OTG, GPS, and a USB-C port. The device also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor along with sensors such as a gyroscope and Hall sensor. It comes with an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. The Nova Flip is priced at 29,999 rupees and is expected to go on sale starting May 2026. It will be available in a Glacier White color option, also referred to as Pantone Cloud Dancer.